Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is May 21st. Let me show you the PNL right over here, 700. Beautiful. Okay, let's get into the trade recap. So why was I looking for shorts today? Bro, today was absolutely crazy. It was one break even and one profit. So first thing, coming into the day, right away, I saw these relative equals at these highs, plus this 4-hour, 1-hour internal. There was no reason that we do not want to get bought up to these highs. But what is one thing that we need to do before we get to these highs? We need to generate liquidity. We need reasons to want to go higher. So my reasoning behind that was, let me just take off these executions so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, is since we have this 4-hour gap, we need to take out internal liquidity of this 4-hour before we can start getting that push up higher. So coming down to the hourly time frame, what did I see? I saw that we had a beautiful 1-hour gap. So my main idea coming into the morning was taking a long, possibly into this. Well, no, not really. Taking a trade once we tap inside this fair value gap, take a short down to this 4-hour internal. And then if we can get this 4-hour internal respecting that 4-hour gap, then I'd want to be seeing longs to these relative equals on the hourly and 4-hour internal liquidity of this gap, just like that we have over here. So anything before that, I do not see any reason for price to want to be getting pushed up higher. So right away, coming down to this hourly time frame, I saw that we had a very nice tap inside this fair value gap, also inside a discount. Then I came down to the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame, there wasn't anything. So didn't end up taking anything on the 5-minute. But on the 4-minute, we ended up having this inversion over here. So I'll get back into that just in a second because that is the second trade. Right over here, ended up taking this trade. And let me turn my executions on again so I'm not bullshitting you. And I was targeting straight for this 1-to-1 risk to reward. Now, yeah, it fucking hit TP. But bro, entry over here. Look at this, bro. We had an insane rejection wick, insane instantaneous rejection, stopping me out at break even and then getting that flush lower. So we had that 2-minute inversion. That was the entry, but I still had this 4-minute below. So what I did was I ended up taking my trade somewhere over here. Stop loss was at these highs and take profit was right over here for that 1-to-1 risk to reward. Ended up taking this trade for a re-entry because I ended up getting break even on this trade over here from that crazy wick. So ended up taking this trade once again because again, we still have the same idea. We are targeting this 4-hour internal liquidity because without this 4-hour internal, there's essentially no reason for price to want to be getting pushed up higher. So 4-hour was my main draw. Then on top of it, we had that hourly that was being our sponsor, our main sponsor. Coming down to the 4-hour, to the 4-minute, we had that inversion for that re-entry. Ended up taking it, and it was honestly very nice. No, sorry, the trade was here. Yeah, no, it was here. This is where I got stopped at a break even. So I ended up taking this trade over here for a nice 1-to-1, and bro, can't complain. Now we did leave relative equals, so I am sure that price is gonna still come lower to take all these relative equals because again, there's no reason for us to want to be getting pushed up higher. We did not take out any internal liquidity, nothing. So price needs to come lower, sweeping out this liquidity and then getting bought up. Now, guys, I did take this trade live in my Discord. So if you are interested in joining that, first link in the description, go check that out. And I have pre-recorded videos up to like 10 hours. I have one-on-one calls with you guys personally, teaching you the strategy. And bro, daily biases every morning. You would have caught this bias as well. Guys, I also have some funded accounts down below. Get some nice discounts. Guys, if you are interested in trading this model, this is a very powerful model. Beautiful take profit, close to $700 on the day. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.